Tough conversations don't damage teams, avoiding them does. Whether it's addressing underperformance, setting a boundary, or speaking up in a tense meeting, leaders who avoid conflict often lose influence without even realizing it. In this video, I will show you how to use emotional intelligence and NLP to navigate even the most difficult workplace conversations with clarity, calm, and zero guilt. So you can lead with strength and not stress. Hi, my name is Shweta Singh and I'm the Leadership Transformation Coach. And today we are going straight into one of the most emotionally exhausting parts of leadership, handling tough conversation. Now, maybe you are a smart, self aware leader, but when it comes the time to speak up, something inside you stalls. What if they take it the wrong way? Will I come across too harsh or not strong enough? Maybe I'll wait or I'll see if it resolves on its own. Let's be honest, you're not avoiding the person, you are avoiding the emotional discomfort. And that's exactly why emotional intelligence is your superpower. So, most leaders aren't lacking communication skills, but they are stuck in emotional hesitation caused by the fear of being misunderstood, guilt around saying no, or setting boundaries, overthinking the outcome instead of leading it, and the cost, delayed decisions, unclear expectations, and most importantly, a drop in team trust and performances. Let me introduce you to my reset method designed specifically for emotionally intelligent leaders who want to handle conversations with confidence and calm. So, the reset system R stands to regulate your state before the conversation. Just pause, use breath work or NLP anchoring to calm your nervous system, and your state determines your strategy. E stands to empathize before you engage. Shift from blame to curiosity. Say, help me understand what's going on for you right now. S stands for the state the impact. Use facts plus emotion. I noticed the deadline was missed and I can see the team's trust taking a hit. E stands for empower through options. Offer shared responsibility. Here's what I purpose. What do you think would help us both move forward? And T stands for tie it back to the vision. So remind them this isn't about criticism, it's about helping each other succeed as a team. So let me make it even simpler for you. Use these three proven emotionally intelligent scripts in your next conversation. So, for example, underperformance script. I have noticed a dip in your energy lately, and I am here to understand, not judge. Can we talk about what's been affecting your flow? Second, saying no without guilt. That's an important request right now. Our focus needs to stay aligned with X. Let's revisit this once we hit that milestone. Third is team tension conversation. There's been some silence in the room lately. Let's bring it to the surface so we can move forward as a stronger team. Here's the leadership truth no one tells you. The moment you regulate your emotions, your decision making improves, your language softens, and your authority deepens. Influence doesn't come from raising your voice, it comes from raising your emotional clarity. And this is how emotionally intelligent leaders build high performing teams, one difficult conversation at a time. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Tough conversations don't require toughness, they require emotional intelligence. So, I've created a free tool just for leaders like you. It's called the Self Leadership Trigger Tracker. And this simple worksheet helps you to identify exact emotional triggers that sabotage your communication. So, you can shift them before your next conversation even begins. And if you are ready to go deeper, you can also join my 90-minute webinar, the Leadership Reset Launchpad, inside which I'll teach you how to build influence, lead with clarity, and resolve people problem using emotional intelligence and NLP. Both the links are in the description. You've got the skills, now let's activate your emotional clarity. Until then, stay grounded, stay conscious, and lead with integrity. I'll see you in the next one.